Hi there, this is Cathy with a C. I just started this new YouTube channel called AloneNest, N-E-S-T. The reason I named it that is because I'm a senior woman living alone, and I have been for quite a few years now. And I've always said to people that one of the most important things you can do for yourself is to create a very nurturing and inviting nest, meaning your home or wherever you put your head at night when you go to bed. Whether it be a camper, a van, a home, a cabin, a tent, doesn't matter. Make it yours. And that's what I've been pretty good at doing, at least what people tell me. And I would like to share what I know with you. So I'm going to take you on a little journey. I'm going to be posting videos as often as I can. I'm pretty new at this, and I'm still learning how to film, how to edit. But I'm 69 years old, so it's going to take me a bit. But I think I'm doing pretty good considering. So some of the things that my channel will have on it, as far as videos go, I'm going to be teaching you how to decorate your home with home decor. I do a lot of sewing projects. I make pillow covers, curtains, all kinds of home decor. I'm always dabbling with something like that. I also paint with acrylic paint, so we can make all kinds of wall art. Very simple. Anybody can paint, by the way. All you need is the right supplies, paint, and paintbrushes, and a canvas. And sometimes not even a canvas. So we can do that. I also do yard art. Okay, I make all kinds of things for out in the yard, and pretty wild stuff, but it's fun. Also embroidery, baking, and when it gets to be around the holidays, especially Christmas, I love decorating for Christmas. So if you do anything at all in this channel, watch around Christmas time when I start decorating. Actually, I start decorating before Thanksgiving. I'm pretty good at Halloween too, so I'll just stick around for the whole thing. And in between all these projects, I may take you on a little road trip, because I do a lot of camping, and it's a lot of fun. When you live alone, it doesn't mean you can't have fun, and I have a lot of fun when I go camping. So definitely going to take you on some road trips, and so come along for the ride. Hope you enjoy my channel, and I look forward to hearing from you. And yeah, and I'm completely authentic, by the way, at least 92% of the time, maybe 93%. Okay, so anyway, thank you for viewing my channel, and hope to see you again soon. Thank you. Mwah.